Hello everyone. So today we are going to calculate the nth highest salary from a table using SQL query. In the previous video we have calculated the second highest salary, but if we want more general query, then we need to have different approach. Only finding out the second highest salary is not applicable to find out the fourth highest salary or the third highest salary. We need general query for that. So we are going to learn about two functions which will be useful to calculate the nth highest salary. The first one is limit and the second one is offset. As the name suggests, limit means it will limit the records to be shown. What does it mean? If we want to know about only one record, then we are going to write limit 1. If we want to show only two records from the table, then we are going to write limit 2. And offset means if you want to skip the first first three records from a table, then we can use offset function. Let's see how to calculate the nth highest salary. So we want to know the salary. So we are going to select the salary field from the table employee. This table name is employee. Okay. After selecting the salary field, we are going to arrange the column. We are going to arrange the column according to decreasing salary. That means the person who has highest salary will be written in the top, and after that the second, then third, then fourth. So what we are going to write, select salary from EMP, order by salary field. Then we are going to write offset. If we want third highest salary, suppose if we want third highest salary, then we are going to write offset to limit 1. And order by salary, in after that we have to write descending order. Why descending is written? Because we want the salary in decreasing manner. That means the highest salary should be at the top, and after that all other salary should be followed. So how the table is going to arranged, 1 lakh should be at the top one, at top, then after that 80,000, then 60,000, 65,000, then 60,000. In this manner the salary will get rearranged, and after that offset function will be used. Offset will going to avoid the first two records of the table. That means if we are writing offset 3, so the first 3 records will get ignored, and after that from the fourth record will be shown on the screen. A limit is used in this query to reduce the record from the table to be shown. If you are not using limit function, then all other records will also get shown, but we want only one record, that is the third highest salary or the fourth highest salary. If you want to see both fifth highest salary and sixth highest salary, then what we are going to write, we are going to write select salary from EMP, okay, order by salary in descending manner, DESC, offset. So we want fifth and sixth highest, so the first 4 records will have to be skipped. So we are going to write offset 4 and limit 2. Why limit 2 is written? Because we want 2 records to be shown. In this manner we are going to get fifth and sixth highest salary from a table.